Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger doesn't notifying. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger doesn't notifying, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page you will search about the application of Messenger and you will click here. Then in this list you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi. You will turn off your Wi-Fi, you will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.